Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress in your local computer and how to properly set up WordPress and how to work with WAMP in respect of WordPress website. Let's come to the computer screen and check in the system tray whether your WAMP server icon is green or red. If it is green, it means it's properly working. Click on this icon and click the local host. If you will find such type of information, it means that your WAMP server is properly working. Now you have to click phpMyAdmin. Here you have to enter the default username without password and you will have to click go. Now you have to create a new database here. Click the new one, type the name. For example, I'm going to make a website of a company, Family Shopper. I will name it Family Shopper DB. Click the create button. Now you can see here our database has created. Now it's time to install the WordPress. I have a downloaded file here. Let's copy it and open your root directory of WAMP server. Here you will find a folder of www. Paste here. And now extract WordPress here. Now you can delete this and name this WordPress. Now your WordPress is ready. Now you have to click here and type localhost/WordPress. Now it's time to setting it up. Select the language and click the continue. Click get now. Write the name of your database. Username is root without password and then click the submit and then run the installation. Now you have to give the title of your website, Family Product. Username, I'm going to put it admin in your email address com and then click the install WordPress. Now WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Let's log in it. Put the password here and log in. You are in now. Your WordPress has properly installed, the work done. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.